next time on the Lazy Geckos. Steven Spielberg's boat. We are headed out the inlet at Fort Lauderdale.
Love to be at sea, just hate being at sea in this boat.
We love her.
She's gonna take care of us.
Wind's coming from behind us. It's at between 6 and 8 apparent. Let's try it out.
Different being on a catamaran, you're not heeling over. I can go down below, cook. It's working.
Yeah.
It helps to have this.
Yeah, we got some starting fluid. And it doesn't want to start though by itself without starting fluid. But then
I can't be that spontaneous twice in a row.
Falling stars, rising sun. I'm falling in love with everyone. All on the dance floor, we move as one.
Pretty rough, huh, honey?
yeah, windy. It's coming out northeast at 32 knots right now. We're headed right into it. Probably like another quarter mile or so.
My heart is pounding right out my chest, and I just need to catch my breath. Oh, 'cause
It was great to finally have some real wind. It's amazing how often it will be right on your bow or just too light to sail. This was totally awesome.
when I see you dance to falling, when I hear your voice to falling, when I hold you close to falling, then we bump, 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 but I'm bump. Summer comes and summer goes. The days fly by. Where did they go? Sun shining down on our Cali lives, and I'm going out dancing every night. Oh, I throw you a glance and you catch my eye. We run home together, fall into each other, home run dive.
Is this where you've been getting ready?
Yeah? You want to take some pictures? Oh, hold on, I want to.
Let the good times roll.
All right.
This is an awesome day, and I actually use the word blessed, which is rare for me, because the last 2 months have been brutal. Rain and wind and nothing going right, and then you get out here, and this morning started at dark 30 with high winds and big waves, and now we have a nice following wind.
It's not always like this either. Like,
No.
you come out here and you're roughing it, and you're like, you gotta really think, like, when you get these days, you gotta appreciate
And
it.
it isn't over yet. We still have 2 to 3 hours forward the anchorage.
Yeah.
It's been pretty great. I got to sleep in a little bit, so I appreciate that.
Yeah, she's rubbing it in. Those of us, well, you were up at 4, I was up at 5.
Checking the race.
Yes.
How's it looking?
Pretty darn good. My little butthead kept me up all night. As soon as I get out of bed, he stops. So funny. We were debating between Hawk's channel and the inside, like the ICW. Two different scenarios. It's supposed to get a little rough out there, so we didn't want to chance it because we're going 50 miles. We're kind of limping on one of the engines, and there's nowhere to duck it. So we decided to take the inside, the ICW, even though there's a lot of twists and turns and some bridges that can be sketchy, and the depth we're worried about, but for us with the engine, that's the better option anyways. So, and it gives us lots of spots to duck in, because it's supposed to get kind of crazy with the winds. We have a front coming in, so better safe than sorry. See that little sucker right there? That's a carbon monoxide detector that we keep right next to Reese while he naps. That, plus opening hatches and constantly checking him, is just how it is when you have kids on board. It's a worry, but if you stay on top of it, it works. Nap time is great for some adult time and for a little break, but once he's up, we like to keep him active. Little crafts like this one from Alyssa and Doug are great to have on board. They're fun, they pass time on a passage, and allow for some one-on-one time, which we love.
See it? Right there.
So John,
Yep.
who do you like anchoring more with?
Yeah, how's my communications?
I heard you.
His communications have gotten better since earlier today.
I was like, I'm standing up, and now I'm moving this jib sheet off my head, and now I worked on it.
Who would you rather anchor with?
Oh, come on.
Oh, wait, hold on a second.
Who looks better?
Anybody in the world? I mean, Jacques Cousteau. I mean, for an old
Come
French
on,
guy.
out of us too.
You know.
So here's the deal.
You look way better
he's
than that.
definitely a better sailor than me and probably a better sailor than you. But I mean, you got it on looks, because when you're looking forward, I can check out your butt, and I just feel like,
I see it all the time.
yeah. You're like, hey, would you bend over and would you check and check the bridle? How's the loop looking? Lean forward some more.
We're falling off the wind. We're falling off the wind. Oh, sorry. I was just looking at your ass. I'm kind of fixated. Target fixation. It's a killer.
Exactly.
The high winds had finally laid down. We took advantage of the moment and launched Fiesta. Once you anchor, you get to reflect on the day you've had. Take a look around and enjoy your surroundings. This is my absolute favorite time of day. Beautiful.
Look at silver cord.
My legs, my arms. And then a little bit of Brittany.
Nothing.
Shit. That one little cloud. That one little cloud.
Son of a bitch, cloud.
Coming soon on the Lazy Geckos. It got even lower.
Right.
Go figure. Do you feel like it's working?
No.
No.
We're gonna try and break it loose. We're right. The tide should start rising. So all we need, believe it or not, all we need is probably about 30 or 40 feet forward to get to deeper water. And we're just sort of stuck right at that point where we can't go anywhere.
Is the anchor up? This table does come down. Put the string in it. You could fit, oh my gosh, probably. You have Instagram? Why not follow us? You can get all sorts of real-time news, photos, and more. Check us out at Lazy Gecko Sailing. Our episodes are fueled by our patrons. See even more fun on our Vimeo channel.